Alright, let's see. About there looks pretty good. Wait a minute, this ain't the body I want. That's more like it. Hey there everyone, Erica here from Highway 49 RC. This is the body that I have painted for my Crawford Cure 2019 rig. Apologies in advance if I sound a little bit congested and gross because I got sick this past weekend. And granted, better I got sick this past weekend than this coming weekend because that's the crawl. I've literally been driving my dad crazy about it all week. So, this body, I tested like 8 different paint colors for it because I did airbrush it, so I mixed the paint color. And I am super happy with the way it came out. I absolutely love the color. On camera, it also looks really, really nice. I put the light bar from my blue body up there too because that light bar is just fantastic. If you guys want to see how I made that, I have a whole series on how to make light bars like this that are completely expandable basically. Put lots of decals on it. Got Boom Racing, Avid, RPP, Cow RC, Proline. Let me show you around the body a little bit more. There you go. I've got the cancer ribbon chilling up top there. Looking real nice. I took and I cut that out by hand and then put the tape on there and painted it. I think that came out pretty nice. Back window here we've got Gearhead, RPP, Savox, Viking Fairleads, HTs, RC four-wheel drive, and Hobby Wing. And of course, we all know here, I enjoy being a badass. Flipping it around here, we've got the Crawford Cure sticker from last year, HTs, RC Rock Armor. Up on the front hood here, we've got Holmes Hobbies and MIP. I put some headlights, not that they don't function, but I figured it looked a little bit better than my body over here last year with no headlights on or any sort of front grille. But anyway, back to this thing. I hope you guys like this, honestly, and I hope that you guys stuck around till the end of the last video where I did a sneaky little sneak peek of this thing. Ooh, that was, I honestly feel bad for you guys making you wait this long. And I also picked up a, what was this, K&K, I think, toe strap for it. And I think you all would agree, matches very nicely. So, let me put that strap on, put a battery in, and I'll show you guys some extra lights that I added. Alright, there you go. As you can see, I've added some red tail lights to my RC Rock Armor bumper there. Turned off the lights so you could see a little bit better. But doesn't this thing just look awesome with those shocks in there? Let me turn this light back on. There we go, much better. With all the blue hardware on it, just seriously matches the body so well. The shocks, I did take this out for a sneaky little run on my own just to kind of test things out, make sure everything worked, and thankfully it did. And the shocks appear to work very, very nicely. Now, I've also added, you guys probably didn't really notice, but the overall stance of this is wider. And what I did was I added some, I think they're Boom Racing wheel spacers. Okay, you guys literally cannot see that. Let me turn it. As you can see in there, I've added some Boom Racing wheel spacers to space my tires out from the knuckle here a little bit so it wouldn't rub and all that, but it's also given it a much wider stance, which is going to help with my side hilling and all that sort of stuff. Toe strap looks great. So, with that being said, all in all, I hope you guys have enjoyed this Crawford Cure 2019 build series thing. Crawford Cure is on October 5th, next weekend, or this coming weekend even. Super excited. I hope to see a bunch of you guys out there. If you guys recognize this rig, come and say hi. I am planning on putting this truck in the show and shine. Hopefully I can win. Probably won't, honestly. But overall, I'm super excited. If you guys don't know what Crawford Cure is, because obviously I've been talking about it a lot here, Crawford Cure is basically a RC rock crawling event that supports the American Cancer Society. It's a super great cause, just such a fun event in general. So many amazing rigs out there, and that's about all I've got to say, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you like this body. I'm running out of breath here, but I'm loving it, and I'm super excited for the crawl. So, hope to see y'all there. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram too, highway49_RC. That's in the description below. And once again, I will see you all at the crawl.